Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Okabo Calvin. Today I'm going to talk about what we call research and AI, and talking on research and AI, what it means in the 21st century. Now, we'll begin with the research. Research is an investigation into specific topics or problems to discover new and deeper ways. Why do I say so? You discover, or the term research generally means on the systemic and methodic way of you aligning facts and truth on various events. So we can do, number one, we can do basic research. That is, you expand knowledge without any practical application, but you are expanding knowledge. That is like self-learning. Because learning in itself also looks like research because you're trying to get something new. As knowledge is, it is expected of us to always learn daily. And then we have the second here, applied research. Applied research focuses on practical solutions. Why do I say so? In this one, you develop a new way of doing things, or you find out an information and you have its relevance. For instance, COVID-19 struck the world. So in COVID, there was the research on the vaccine of COVID, which needed immediate effect. So government funded, and that is like unapplied research because in a short period of time, there was a bigger output. That is, they provided us with new vaccines. Quantitative and qualitative research is more of school-based and more of look at sectors of healthcare and sectors uh, of education. That's why we envelop numerical data and statistical analysis. We also have surveys and experiments. We have meanings and context. That is the case studies, interviews, surveys. We all do that in quantitative and qualitative because this one you'll have to write a report in the various methodologies where you identify the problem, you have a literature review on it, then you document the experiment, like the survey you've done, analyze the data, compare notes with notes. That is maybe the past events, the books you have used to do the research, and then you call the people involved in the field who have the idea can discuss. Sometimes it's good because it gives you the overview, and then after you have done, you can issue questionnaires on the case study and finally document it. Well, research is important in many ways. For example, it advances knowledge. Your knowledge contributes to various fields. It informs your decision making. Why? Because knowing is much better than ignorance. When you're ignorant of something, you might assume what is not. If, for instance, healthcare, you treat something that is not in required, and then you develop critical thinking because your knowledge base is expanding. And then in coordination, because my first thing was research and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is where large chunks of data are analyzed, involve literature review, the data analysis, algorithm, and its machine learning techniques like the Python programming. These ones, what it does, artificial intelligence generally helps is like the human brain. So PDFs and knowledge bases are fed into it, videos, then it synchronizes all that data and now brings you an output of the exact solution you need according to the data that has been given on and fed on it. And it is very nice. Research involves simulation and editing plus writing. Usually it gives a provision of you feeding in data as the editing and writing. Then the simulation is like For instance, the pilot wants to fly. He is maybe test driving. So he is taken to a control room where they simulate the environment and atmosphere of you taking flight on ground so that future accidents are prevented. And then we have its applications. Research is important because it's applied in healthcare, that is prospects of disease and vaccine development. It's also important in the world of trading. Like you can predict the trend depending on on the activities of the past few years. And research is very important because for a program like here, AI platforms, Google AI, Microsoft Azure, they're all accessed through internet. Also, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and various websites for which we all know we do using school, university like us. So all these platforms are accessed via internet, and how far you can go with AI is unimaginable. It has a higher prospect in the near future. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye bye.